So I have seen multiple videos about YouTube short niche suggestions, and honestly, most of them are totally wrong. The truth is this: when you search on Google or even ask the ChatGPT, it only shows you the top YouTube niches. But the truth is that YouTube Shorts videos and regular YouTube videos have totally different audiences. For the last 6 months, I have created around 3 to 5 YouTube Shorts daily, therefore I can tell you what is trending and what is not. First of all, when you think about YouTube Shorts content, you have to understand it is really similar to early TikTok. And if you want to grow fast in short time, you will have to create entertaining and really engaging content. This top 7 list will be for specific niches for maximum views, engagement and subscribers. So don't confuse this with the most earning YouTube niches, because top earning niches are again something totally different. So let's start with the list, and on the number 7 most popular niche we have fitness. This YouTube Shorts niche is about fitness and workout tips on how to get a plain stomach, toned or muscular arms, fixing your posture, etc. Just show your routine and add some before and after pictures to get your audience's attention. You can also find different footage on internet on how different exercises are done and easily recreate that for your YouTube Shorts content. Number 6 is food and cooking. There is no platform where the cooking and baking niche fails. This does not mean that people love cooking. The truth is that they love watching tasty recipes step by step. Show people tasty food with great transitions and you will get their attention fast. The great part about doing it on YouTube Shorts is that you can make short footages and then put them all together within specific apps and link the recipe next to your profile. Number 5 on our list is recent trends. If you are the type of person that never misses the latest trends and news, you can definitely take advantage of this niche. People are always interested in the latest news, and it is really easy to create around this specific niche because it is always fun and engaging. This niche is never getting old, therefore this ranks really high on my list as number 5. Number 4, experiments. This niche is one of the best for views, just because it is really exciting to watch and experience the exciting and mysterious results, explosions and mind-blowing outcomes of science experiments. It is also a great way to provide value for people in everyday life by showing awesome life hacks that can bring value in many different ways. Niche number 3 is arts and crafts. Arts and crafts segment, also known as do-it-yourself, is also a fascinating YouTube Shorts niche. Anything from cooking to drawing and everything in between fits in this category. You can speed up your footage and generate a great video showcasing the whole creative process. There are even channels with millions of subscribers that specializes in showing impressive origami paper folding techniques and different interesting creations. In my opinion, this is the best low-cost, high-attention niche. Number 2 on my list is reaction videos. This niche could be the easiest one to make. You just have to place camera in front of yourself and start reacting to different and engaging videos that people will be interested in. This is low editing and low resource opportunity, especially if you have really funny reaction and you can make people laugh just by being yourself. If you want to take this to the next level, pick a specific niche with videos that you react to, and you will get really big and valuable fan base. And the number 1 niche that will bring you the most views and subscribers in short time is comedy. Making people laugh always works. There are tons of TikTok accounts dedicated to comedy that prove it. It is the best YouTube Shorts niche right now, where you can be early, and it is the easiest way to stay in people's memories by making them laugh and showing your face. There are already so many creators taking advantage of this niche on YouTube Shorts. The best part is that comedy can be about whatever you want. For instance, funny and cringe things you used to do in high school is a great idea to appeal to younger audience. Jokes about current trends, memes, sports, movies, these are just few ideas you can go with. And the truth is, people will always spend their time with funny and engaging content to escape from their boring daily lives. So these were the top 7 YouTube Shorts niches, and if you really want to grow fast, upload 3 to 5 shorts every day and grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 100k subscribers in 2023. You can take this to the next level and reach out to sponsors in your specific niche and make money before the YouTube Shorts monetization is available. If you found this video helpful, press thumbs up, and thanks for watching.